This is the front display of the Tecno Phantom V Fold, and right now I am watching a movie with it. Open the main display and here you go. You have exactly what you were watching in the sub screen right inside the main display. Now let's turn back to the sub screen. It's completely blank as long as the phone remains open. Close it now and we are back to where we started. This is the Tecno Phantom V Fold, and to be honest, I'm still trying to get used to the phone that I'm trying to review here. Now, if you feel the same way as me, let's get used to the idea of using foldable phones because it might be the future of mobile phones. This is the first foldable Android phone from Tecno, and believe me, Tecno is not messing around with this one. I'm talking about a clear AMOLED display, 512 gig of internal storage, 12 gig of RAM, and 50 megapixel camera sensor that can record 4K videos with the option to use both the front and the back camera at the same time. And to top it all, it only costs $1,000. Now, depending on your conversion rate, it is somewhere between 500,000 naira and 800,000 naira. As perfect as this device is, with its extremely insane affordable price, there's really some mess in this device that I cannot turn a blind eye to. So let's see what's in the box, let's see what makes this device a foldable killer, and let's consider what might make this device not worth buying. Everyone is talking about the exciting features of the Tecno Phantom V Fold, but no one is talking about the bad side. So in this video, I'm going to mention all the worst features of this device so you can get a balanced idea in case you intend to buy. So for a start, let's see what's inside the box. This is the most gorgeous packaging I've seen in my YouTube journey. You open the packaging box in style and there you have the phone right on top. I actually have the white color here, and oh, I forgot to mention that it comes in two colors. The white, which is of course this one, and the black color. And for the record, the white color is my favorite. Moving further into the packaging box, every piece of packaging material here feels premium. And then you have the protective case with a support stand on it, a SIM eject pin, a 45-watt fast charger that can charge a battery from 0 to 100% in 50 minutes, and a Type-C USB cable. To watch the complete charging test video of this phone, find the link in the description. If you're enjoying this video, subscribing to this channel would be fantastic. Don't forget to like this video, it means a lot to me. On the beautiful side of the Tecno Phantom V Fold comes the design, the camera, the display, the performance, and how user-friendly it is. Starting with the design, the back is made out of renewable organic silicone leather, giving it its premium look. My best part of the design is the camera section. It comes with 3 cameras here at the back and a flashlight. The sub-screen has 1 camera and another one for the main screen, giving a total of 5 cameras in just one phone. There are 2 speakers in the device, one at the top and the other one at the bottom. There are some complaints that the speakers are not loud enough, but I don't really see an issue here. In addition to the speaker, the bottom of the V Fold also comes with a charging port and a SIM tray that can hold 2 5G SIMs at the same time. To the right, there is a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner and the volume buttons. On my hand, it feels like I'm holding 2 phones at the same time, yet I don't feel any sort of inconvenience. It is easy to access the fingerprint scanner without stressing my finger. No kidding, the fingerprint scanner is super responsive. In fact, Tecno must have put all what they've got into this design. Right in the back of the phone, there are 2 50 megapixel cameras. One is a dedicated 50 megapixel camera for portrait photos, and the other one is the main camera. The third camera is a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. I've seen devices with different zooming capacity, ranging from 2x zoom to 10x zoom, but not 20x zoom. The V Fold has up to 20x zoom for photo mode and 10x zoom for video mode, and still retains much detail when you zoom to the end. Aside from this long zooming distance feature, it also has the sky shot mode that changes the look of the sky behind you in your picture. There are different pre-designed skies and you can choose any of them. How about being able to see yourself from the sub-screen whenever someone is about to take a photo of you? The person holding the camera will no longer be the one telling you what position or style to take. You can see yourself from the screen, make your adjustments to your own taste, and you have your picture. This is a bad bye to those who don't know how to take good photos. Give them your phone to snap you and they mess it up. Then it comes with the dual camera mode that allows you to use the front and the back camera at the same time. TikTok creators are so going to love this. My best part of the camera is how clear it renders images. This is a 50 megapixel camera, but the quality is way more than most cameras of the same sensor. Whether you are taking a portrait photo or just a regular AI camera photo, you know you are already getting the best quality any 50 megapixel sensor can offer. Then the video mode. How can anyone doubt that Tecno put a lot into this camera? A good movie director will make a great movie out of this camera, or maybe not. So there are two cameras on the Phantom V Fold, 30 megapixel for the sub-screen and 16 megapixel for the main screen. The sub-screen camera does offer better image quality than the main screen camera, but that does not make the main screen camera less fascinating. The quality from both cameras are great. Like this video on the screen is from the 16 megapixel main screen camera, yet it looks so great. But the 32 megapixel sub-screen camera will offer better quality. Alright guys, so this is the front camera of the Tecno Phantom V Fold, and I'm trying to tell you how clear the camera is. Just in case you want to purchase this device, it has a very clear, in fact ultra clear front camera. Now you know. There are lots of other useful features that this camera offers, like the 8-arrow shot mode, the Pro mode, the night mode, and even the slow motion mode. Tecno keep making things better, it seems. This is an AMOLED display. It is the same for the sub-screen. It features over 2000 pixel resolution with 9% screen to body ratio. For the main screen, Tecno boasts a virtually crease-free display. What this means is that since the screen can fold, it is normal to have this ridge in the middle of the screen. So by the time you swipe your finger across the screen, you should feel some bump. Even with Tecno's claim of virtually crease-free display, from what I feel here, I can say that they exaggerated a bit about this display. But all the same, this is a nice one from Tecno. Adding a little curve to the sub-display is another element of elegance, not just for the display but for the overall design. There are lots of surprising features about these displays. Both displays are super responsive, not only when you touch something on the screen but when you switch the display. This is so because it has 120 Hz touch sampling rate. When it comes to brightness, it has a peak brightness of 1100 nits. You can compare these figures to those regular budget Android phones like the Tecno Spark 10 series with around 500 nits peak display brightness. In performance, the Phantom V Fold is a game changer. It comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus octa-core processor and Mali G710 MC10 GPU. It is built on Android 13 HiOS 13 Fold. What a name! HiOS 13 Fold. Can you imagine? I like that. Every single app opens right on time, and even with the heavy task of multitasking, it doesn't overheat and it doesn't lag. Playing games with this device is both exciting and convenient because you have two displays to choose from. Check the description section below for the link to the gaming review video. Some extra features that makes this device more thrilling are the Ella voice assistants. I am being kidnapped. How do I get out of here?
Your question is a bit sensitive and I won't reply to that.
How background apps are arranged and the option to split the main screen. You can also draw some apps above other apps while you are doing something else. Plus the numerous idle screen customization. I love these settings because it allows me to set the type of clock I want and to choose whatever color I want as well. Then you will also find the super cool live wallpaper in the display settings, all of which respond in their own way when you open or close the device. The cool features here are many, and wait until you handle this phone. You will love them. One more small but intriguing feature found in this V Fold is in the audio recorder. This is Tecno Phantom V Fold, Tecno's first foldable device. It's an exciting one because it's so cheap and awesome with cool features. Now, let's see if you heard me. You record your voice and the built-in audio to text converter will almost accurately convert what you say into text. This is Tecno Phantom V4, Tecno's first foldable device. It's an exciting one because it's for cheap and awesome with cool features. Now let's see if you help me. I doubt if we will type with our hands in the future. Now the bad side. What is not cool with this device? And they include the battery, the size, the volume, and the fact that this is the first foldable device from Tecno. Let's start with the battery, and here's why I think that the 5000 mAh battery is a bit of an issue. Since this is not like a regular phone you will carry around, it is very much a perfect phone for gaming at home. After the day's hustle and struggle, when you feel like relaxing, you may want to play games with it. So it will be more of a gaming phone for some, while others will use it for work because of its big screen. And this is a valid reason why it should come with a stronger battery. Another reason why a stronger battery is important is that unlike regular Android phones, this battery is powering 3 high-resolution displays. The main display is wide enough to make up 2 displays plus the sub-display, giving a total of 3 displays. It is like having just one 5000 mAh battery power 2 or 3 Android phones at the same time. Tecno Spark 10 Pro came with 5000 mAh battery, and in my review of that phone, I mentioned that a 6000 mAh battery would have been better. how much was using this 5000 mAh battery on a wider screen? I understand that a 6000 mAh battery or more will make the phone heavier. Already, it weighs 300 grams, which is heavier than the average 200 grams for most devices. And frankly, I would not like to work with a phone in my pocket that can pull my trouser off my waist. However, Tecno could have found a way around this. The battery charges fast. Please find the link to the charging test in the description. My second problem with this phone is the size. It is not pocket friendly. If you intend buying this device, have it in mind that it is not something that you can put in your pocket. This is not the fault of Tecno, but I hope that in the near future, foldable phones will be more pocket friendly. Next is the volume, and as I mentioned earlier, this is not much of a problem because most regular Android phones have about the same volume. But when you open the phone, it becomes a tab. Usually, we expect tablet speakers to have louder volume. This is the little issue I have. But I don't expect Tecno to make the volume louder than this, considering the nature of battery we have in the device. Now, the last issue I have is that this is the first foldable from Tecno. As you navigate around the phone, there's always one thing or the other that reminds you that it is still the regular phone you are used to. Maybe with time, Tecno will make the needed improvement. So, should you spend your $1,000 on the Tecno Phantom V Fold? I will definitely recommend. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is the gaming review video and this is the charging test video. Click the one that interests you the most and I will see you there.